This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.R.C.A.S College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic testing for API and web service security. Testing for APIs and web services security. API, first of all, the expansion for API is application programming interface, and web services is our essential components. API as well as web services are essential components in modern web development, web applications. Simply web security means the protection of web services as well as web application development and then online services. It's none other than web security. So the API plays a vital role in it. It's an important component among the development of web applications, which enables the communications between the different systems. However, they are also the common attack vendors. We have to overcome the attacks, cyber threats as well as vulnerabilities. The proper security testing which ensures that the APIs are protected against the cyber threats as well as the vulnerabilities. Now let us see the overview of API security testing. The application programming interface security testing, which involves identifying the vulnerabilities as well as ensures the proper authentication and then preventing the unauthorized access. The main key objectives are validating authentications as well as the authorization mechanisms, and then detecting the injections vulnerabilities by using some kind of tools of attacks like SQLI and then XSS command injections. The SQLI is mainly for the database attacks, and then XSS cross-site scripting, web applications issues and all happening because of the XSS attack, and then common injections, command injections, the command line injections and all gets a problem because of the command lines we are going to process in order to secure the web applications. In order to attack the web application, web services, they used to implement the command injections. So the detecting injection vulnerabilities and all happening because of these kind of attacks, and then identifying the misconfigurations as well as insecure application programming interface endpoints. So the validation, detection as well as identifying the vulnerabilities plays a vital role in API security. Now let us see the common application programming interface security vulnerabilities. The first thing is broken authentications, that weak as well as missing authentication mechanisms can allow unauthorized access, and then injection attacks, SQL injection, command injection as well as the XML extensible markup language external entity attacks. The acronym for XML external entity is none other than XXE. Insecure direct object references, unauthorized access to data via predictable parameters were applied, and then rate limiting and denial of service attack. APIs without the rate limiting can be overwhelmed by attackers. Now let us see the tools. The tools in API security. The tools of application programming interface security testing tools like Postman and then Burp-Shoot, OWASP, ZAP, NICTO, JWT-IO, and then API security testing frameworks. These are the important tools among the API in order to secure the online services, or else we used to say the web services. The first thing is the Postman, that unauthorized access as well as authentication issues and all tackle with the help of the tool called Postman in API security in order to secure the application programming. And then Burp-Shoot. Burp-Shoot is also one of the important tool in order to secure the web applications as well as the online services. It's very much helpful for analyze the attack as well as the threat implemented, whether it's implemented inside the particular web applications or not. And then OWASP ZAP. So OWASP is a open source web application security project that this is the proxy attack will happen, right? So that and all we can able to overcome with the help of OWASP. That it's a kind of open source web application security tool in order to analyze the unauthorized access as well as authentication process and all secured or not. So that and all analyze in easy way with the help of OWASP. And then NICTO. NICTO is a command line scanner tool. This tool is helpful for analyze the dangerous files were embedded inside the web applications, or else that's outdated software or there in a system or not. That and all we can able to tackle with the help of NICTO. NICTO tool plays a vital role in order to analyze the dangerous files. And then JWT, JSON web tokens like input output, the transactions as well as the system to system. Some applications were transferred, so in that some issues, the web application, web services as well as online services that authenticate unauthorized access were there or not, that and all we can able to analyze with the help of JWT. And then API security testing frameworks we have in order to test both manual testing as well as automated tested with the help of that API testing. So these are the important testing tools in order to make API in secured way. Thanks for listening. Thank you for your patient listening.